Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily video research. Today is November 24th and we will continue to track the euro currency. Well, in the beginning of the research I would like to talk a bit about the larger picture, because yesterday I was watching the CNBC channel, and one of the analysis from the big company said that he see the very bearish bias right now on the euro currency. He said that I expect that the previous lows around 120 will be taken out by the price, and I think that it will be the same sell-off like during the Greece crisis, so etc, blah blah blah. So in general, I want to mark one important moment from the psychology point of view. The point is that the long-term bottoms and tops are very rare forming when public expects it. So usually the major tops and bottoms forming when the public are extremely bearish or bullish. Remember this top. This top has appeared when there are a lot of talkings about the possible move to the 164 or even 170. When it has happened this sell-off, in this point all, including the CNBC and Bloomberg channel, were extremely bearish. They said that euro should renew the move to the parity, renew the lows. This was the start of the major bear trend. That has happened again during the Greek crisis. When it has happened, market just ran to the downside. In these points also public was extremely bearish, and as again was talking about the parity. Now that happens again. So I can't exclude the possibility that the market will collapse during the nearest days. Maybe it's really renew the previous lows in this area. Besides, the technical picture also confirms that you can see that market just moved from the overbought to oversold, and we have the strong monthly important logical profit objective just below the lows from this ABC top pattern. So I can't exclude that the market can reach this area. But from the psychology point of view, the major tops and reverse on the market usually happens when the public doesn't expect that. Well, I'm not saying that 133, 132 area that we have marked during the previous couple of weeks definitely will be the reverse point. Well, I'm not saying that. It's not definitely will, but it has chance to show some reverse in this area, because this is really strong support and weekly trend is still bullish, so possibly it can happen. But the major point is that just take in mind that the usually market reverse when the public doesn't expect that, when the public extremely bearish or extremely bullish. When it expect, it's very rare when the public expect the reverse, and it has happened. It's almost I do not remember where it was on the last time. Okay, now let's shift to the daily time frame. This daily time frame market has shown nice sell-off during the previous trading session, although I did not expect that it's directly will reach this area of support. This also shows us how market is weak right now. We have this pattern ABC top. The next target on the daily time frame 132.71, just below this Fibonacci support area and very close to daily level of oversold. This is our area of strong weekly support around 132.50, 133.73, and market now has reached it. So all of you guys asking me on the forum that where we should enter on the long side. Is the level that you marked to us is the level where we should buy? Of course not. I just show you the levels that we should watch for possible buy signals. If you will not see any buy signals in this area, or market just collapsed right here and will run through this area like a hot knife through the butter, of course we will not enter on the long side of the market. This is just the areas where the probability suggests of appearing some buy signals. It's higher to see the buy signal in this area of strong support than, for example, in the area where we have not any supports at all. For example, right here or right here. Well, it works like this. First of all, we see ahead of time the areas where some buy signals can appear, and then we should track how market will respond in these areas. If it will show the buy signals, okay, we will take it. If not, we will not enter on the long side of the market, because this is just an area to watch for. Now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. This 4-hour chart of the euro currency, we see the nice sell-off. It's not the perfect thrust, but it still be the context for the possible bread and butter sell on the 4-hour chart. It's not very exciting thrust, especially due to this consolidation, because we have long bar down, consolidation, 2 long bars down, so this is not the perfect move. But anyway, if market will show some retracement to the upside, maybe intraday some on the 50-minute charts, on the 30-minute charts, some ABCs that will show us agreement with this area of resistance 134.61, or with this conference resistance 135.21, 135.27. Also, this was previously the weekly pivot support 1. So we can establish the short positions with the target, daily target around 132.70. It's right here. This is our trading plan for the rest of the week. So wait for some retracement to the upside, look for some agreements with this target, this level or this level, to enter on the short side of the market with the target, daily target around 132.70. But be careful, because the market, yesterday market was thin, and tomorrow surely it will be also thin. So be careful and take your risk reasonable.